Good day mga Tantuko. Welcome to another episode of Tantuko TV Vlog. So right now, pasyal ko lang kayo, no? Dito sa one of the newest place here in Pasay, which is the Parcal Mall. Guys, maraming bago. The place is not congested, no? Sobrang konti lang ng tao. And yeah, as you could see, the place is huge, no? And marami pang stalls ang closed. No? Dami pang space na hindi open. And ang saya lang, no? Kasi at least, 'di ba? If you are the type of person na parang kami na ayaw na sa siksikan, ayaw sa maraming pila, well, this is the excellent place that you can drop and come around, no? So, favorite foods, Japanese, Chinese, yan, meron dito yan, no? Kaya, yun, bisitahin nyo. Tour ko kayo. And today, we're gonna visit a Japanese restaurant, no? Kasi, si Achi nagki-crave siya. And ang balita ko, sabi ni Madam maganda dito dahil may good deal rin sila, no? Meron natin 50% off dun sa certain certain food, no? Yung sushi. Kaya we'll check it out. And guys, ito you could see it's complete here. Meron din ditong grocery. Ayan, no? The marketplace, diba? Kaya it's one-stop shop. And ang good news lang, diba? Another place to hang around, to chill and enjoy. And we're here right now sa Uminamatsu. Yan, dito yan, no? So, we'll be trying this dahil nagka-crave sila Achi sa Japanese food. So, panood namin that this is a good deal here. So, we'll try it. Okay guys, said. Sobra sarap. Sobra sulit. Yung mga in-order namin dito, lahat masarap. And yung wasabi niya is solid rin. Pag nasobrahan, iiyak ka talaga.
Iiyak ka talaga.
Yeah guys, grabe. No? You can try to visit here. Well, quality food, no? And craving satisfied. Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy.
Craving satisfied.
Yes.
Grabe guys, yung mga sushi nila, ayan, yung sa likod namin, yung mga sushi nila, it really tastes good. Tapos, meron din silang promo na 50% off on some of the sushi. So, just tried it and it made the kids smile. And yun. So, if you want to hang around na wala masyadong tao, well, I think this is one of the places you could go dahil as in talaga konti tao. No, on a normal day, on a weekend, konti tao. And siguro hindi pa rin na-rediscover nyo. This is very near. This is just beside East Ocean. And very, very near Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. So guys, no, check this out, no, bring the family, enjoy, spend time sa mga gustong magkaroon ng mga kanilang mga tawag dito, Instagrammable, yan, mga OOTD, ang ganda dito, no? Ganyan konti tao, and you will see yan, no, sa likod ko, diba? May magpipicturean sila dyan. Yan. And yun, marami pang close, no? Marami pang close na establishments. But overall, well, the place is nice. And nakakatuwa lang, syempre. New place to go na wala masyadong tao. At the same time, the ambience is very nice, no? Yung mga restaurants dito are also nice. And well, it's fun and enjoyable. Kaya guys, before I end, I always share, no? When science ends, miracles happen. Stay happy para walang